B Pharma, third semester. Physical pharmaceutics. Question number 1. State the equation for ideal solubility parameter. The ideal solubility parameter is defined as the square root of the cohesive energy density, representing the strength of intermolecular forces in a liquid. It is expressed by the equation. Define solvation and association. Solvation: the process wherein solvent molecules surround and interact with solute ion or molecules, forming a stabilized cell. When water is the solvent, this is called hydration. It involves energy change, endothermic, exothermic, and it essential for determining a drug's solubility, stability, and reactivity. Association: the joining together of solute molecules or oppositely charged ion to form larger distinct entities of aggregates in solution. Association typically occur in non-polar or low dielectric constant solvent. It is often a reversible process reaching equilibrium. Example: dimerization of carboxylic acid. Define the term eutectic mixture with an example. The term eutectic mixture is derived from a Greek word eutectos, that means easily melted. When two or more solid components mixed with each other and the melting point of the mixture get decreased compare to the melting point of the individual component, then this type of mixture is known as eutectic mixture. Example: sodium chloride and water, 23.3% salt, 21.2 degrees Celsius, used make ice cream and melt ice. Enumerate the term vapor pressure. Vapor pressure is the pressure exerted by a vapor in thermodynamic equilibrium with its condensed phase, liquid or solid, in a closed system at a specific temperature. It measures a material's volatility and tendency to escape into the gaseous phase, crucial for pharmaceutical stability and manufacturing. Explain the term detergency. Detergency is the complex physiochemical process of removing unwanted solid or liquid soil, oily material, dirt from a solid surface substance using surfactant in a liquid medium. It involves reducing surface interfacial tension, wetting the surface, emulsifying or solubilizing dirt into micelles, and suspending it to prevent redeposition. Classify surfactant with example. Surfactant: these are the agent substances which reduce the surface tension and interfacial tension between two liquid. Classification: anion surfactant are those which ions in aqueous medium to ionic part contain carboxylate sulfate ion. Example: sodium citrate. alkyl benzene sulfate. Number 2, cation surfactant. Cation surfactant have positively charge. Example, cetyl trimethyl ammonium bromide. Non-ionic surfactant. Non-ionic surfactant has no charge group in its head. Example, polyoxy propylene ester. 4. Ampholytic surfactant have both cation and anion group attached to the same molecules. N-dodecyl and N-dimethylbutane. List out the various methods used for determining protein binding. Protein binding is primarily determined through technique that separate free drug from protein bond complex. Equilibrium dialysis method, ultrafiltration method, ultracentrifugation method, gel filtration chromatography method, spectroscopy method. Define chelate compound. Chelate are highly stable coordination compounds formed when a polydenylated organic ligand chelator bind to a central metal ion through multiple donor atoms. Chelating ring-like structures which can enhance metal solubility, control metal activities. Example, sequestrating toxic metal like lead mercury or improve metal delivery, playing key roles in medicines and drug analysis. Define buffer capacity. The amount of strong acid and base required to change the pH of 1 liter of a buffer solution by 1 unit. It is indicated by the term buffer index. It is also known as buffer value or buffer efficiency. Soren's pH scale.